In post COVID times, this has become all the more important. If one thing that I and you can say for sure has changed in the post COVID world is that a lot more people have gone digital. Your clients, your customers, my clients, my customers, more people are now online looking for their requirements, their services, the products that they want online. So, are you online? Have you updated your online presence? Hello friends, welcome back to Real Estate Websites and Marketing Show with me Savan Kumar. We in this show make sure that marketing will no longer be a puzzle for you, technology no longer a problem for you, and your business, your real estate business goes digital, scales digitally. And in these times, you surely know and understand the importance of being digital, of going digital, of growing digitally. Yes, in post COVID times, this has become all the more important. If one thing that I and you can say for sure has changed in the post COVID world is that a lot more people have gone digital. Your clients, your customers, my clients, my customers, more people are now online looking for their requirements, their services, the products that they want online. So, are you online? Have you updated your online presence? So, in that series, we will be talking about your branding. We will be talking about how or why should your brand be upgraded today. Even if you did something a couple of years back, you got a website done, you got a branding done, you got a logo designed, you did a lot of things a few years back, and you might be thinking that it's not needed. You might be thinking that okay, I do not need to update my branding or my website or my social media presence. Well, you're wrong. You need to do that. You need to upgrade your branding, the first thing in this post-COVID world. Why? Because 3 years back, if we go, a couple of years back, if we go, the reason why we had a website built, why we got a website built was completely different. Maybe because we wanted something on our visiting card, maybe because we thought okay, we need a website. That was just just another thing in your checklist that you had to tick. But today, website is not just a checklist item. It is the place where you are doing your business. It is the place where people are looking for you. It is the place where you are telling to your prospective clients and customers why they should do business with you. So today's branding requirements, when we say branding, we are talking about the logo, the websites, the social media presence, the fonts that you use, the colors that you use, the design theme that you are using, all of these things. The branding means who you are, who you reflect, what do you reflect. That is what branding is, and I'm sure that in a period, since the last time that you got your branding done, if you have at all got it done, or if you have never got it done, then this surely is the time to get it done or redone. Yes. Why and what should you be doing? What should you be looking forward to? Well, see if your branding reflects the current standards. Go and look for your competitors. What websites do they have? What kind of a logo do they have? What social media presence do they have? How much of active they are on social media and online? How dynamic is their website? How mobile friendly is their website? And if you find gaps, note those down. What are the gaps that you see is there between your competitors' online presence and your online presence? Are you better off or are you lacking somewhere? If you are lacking somewhere, then you not only need to match it, but actually you need to go ahead of them. Yes, you need to go ahead of them. Also, if you see that over a period of time, our branding, our message changes. As we grow in business, as we understand things better, as we understand ourselves better, as we start to understand what we as a service can offer to the clients better, our messaging, our branding has to change. Our brand evolves over a period of time. So if the last branding you had done was done a couple of years back, I'm very sure that your messaging must have changed. Your USP, unique selling proposition, must have changed. The way you presented things to your client must have changed. You are now a lot more experienced. You now have a lot more of testimonials, good reviews, good feedbacks from the client. All of those things you needs to come on your website. You might have won certain awards in the last 2-3 years. You must be having a list of properties that you want to showcase on your website. All of these things were not there in a couple of years back, but today you have those opportunities. See how the technology has updated. See what your competitors are using. See what kind of features are your competitors using on their website and you do not have it yet on your website. You not only need to match your competitors, but actually you need to go ahead of them, and only then will your customers be buying from you. You need to go ahead. You need to have a very clear branding, a very clear messaging of what exactly are you selling. See, all of us as real estate agents are not just selling a property. We sell emotions. We sell dreams. People who buy real estate, they might be buying their first real estate. So when you are selling things to them, you are not just selling a product like Amazon sells. You are selling a far bigger thing. And when you sell those big dreams, you need to be very clear about what you are selling. Not the product, not the property, but trust that you build with your clients, a relationship that you build with your clients. That is what you are selling, much more than the property or the product that you are. So you need to make sure that your messaging, your website, your social media presence, everything is in synchronization. Everything looks the same, whether your prospective customer or your client is on your social media or on your website or your visiting card or your emails. He sees the similar branding effect everywhere. Similar fonts, similar color schemes, similar messaging. Everything is synchronized. This is really important today in today's time. The customers want to feel that they are transacting or talking to somebody who is professional. And when you are professional, you look professional, you see professional, you eat professional, you do everything professionally. And when you do everything professionally, you become the most trusted person. So make sure that you take care of all of these things. The fonts, the colors, the schemes, the themes, the messaging, the website, the social media. You are present everywhere. And your presence is updated. Updated means of 2021 standards, because your competitors have already upgraded. Your competitors have already either upgraded or started to update themselves, and you cannot choose to miss the train or the bus. You want to win, right? So if you want to win, you need to get going without thinking over it a lot. Come on, get moving. And if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to come back to me and I'll be helping you grow online, get digital, and sort out all your problems. Have a good day. From me, Savan Kumar. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.